Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Rusty Relic Auto Salvage. We're still doing our spring cleaning and organizing in between all the other stuff that we need to get done. There's always plenty to do around here, so without further ado, let's get started. This box is just about ready to go. Gotta add a little bit more scrap to it and it'll be on its way. Got an old 75 or 76 Nova. That was impound from a tow company. And then we've got this Chevy Impala. One we've been kind of prying motors out of, using it up against it. That's why it's all caved in on the side. Got a Mercury that we're picking up with no wheels. Be fun to load. Got it all loaded up. Oh, we just got the Saturn Ion in. I brought it back here with the loader. Doesn't run. I have no idea what else is wrong with it. It's manual trans though, which is pretty cool. But we're just going to pop the motor out of it and core it and crush it. We just got this Pacifica from a local repair shop who sends stuff our way whenever a customer's vehicle comes in that isn't worth repairing. This one has a lot of unibody rust issues and the engine is just about to fall out of it. So we're going to get it back to the yard and get it processed. Starting to get our wheels broke down. Got all these junk tires that got to be added to the pile. And I got some of our aluminum wheels. There's more in the barn that we're still getting done. We just had a customer drop off these totes of aluminum rims. Got to get these emptied out and organized. We're still working on the other ones that I just broke down. We got another order that's getting picked up next week, so. Well, we're over here fixing the skid steer again. I'll show you what we got. We ended up busting the eyelet off of the end of the loader arm, which caused it to go sideways and kind of scrape up the side of the cage over here. So we're going to get that all welded back up so we can get it back in service. Well, that's all taken care of. I got everything as straight as I could. It's been a while since I've arc welded. Normally I just use the flux core MIG, but You can kind of see down in there, it's all squared away. Which is good, we got plenty more that this needs to get done. Well, I finally had a little time to get my radiators cleaned up and organized. Let me show you. Got our radiator ends in this tote, and we got the cleaned up ones that are ready to go in this tote. But anyway, we're gonna keep moving. Well, that wraps up this one. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button and share with your friends, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Later.